Hey, what's up guys? Got JTC in here. Hey, what's up, newcomer? Ready to break this loyalty break? Okay, we'll not wait for everyone else. We'll just get this done. But welcome to that loyalty break, guys. Box of platinum and a box of Topps Prime. 7 total hits between the two. This is a loyalty break for all my guys to stay with me. Appreciate it. We'll get right into it. No need to wait for anyone else. Bunch of slackers anyway. Okay, we'll start with the Topps Prime on this. Got the least amount of packs, so there's our platinum right behind it. Of course, this will be on YouTube in case the other guys miss it, but we'll go right at it, guys. Best of luck. And of course, trading is all done now that I've ripped the box. Better angle. 10 packs in here. You got 4 hits, 2 autos, and 2 relics. There's our 10. All empty. Okay, there's our first 10 packs of the Prime. We'll get right into it. Best of luck, everyone. Here we go, first pack. Luke Kuechly, Julio Jones, Robert Mathis, Julius Thomas, Eric Berry, insert, and James Wyatt, rookie for the Pats. Next pack. Joe Flacco, Ndamukong Suh, RG3, Robert Quinn, Reggie Wayne, insert, and Josh Huff, rookie for the Eagles. Next pack. Antonio Brown, Tavon Austin, J.J. Watt. Insert for Mike Evans, prime rookie, Buccaneers. Golden Mike Wallace parallel, and Derek Carr RC for Oakland. Okay, next pack. No hits just yet. Drew Brees, Aaron Rodgers, Keenan Allen, Earl Thomas, Luke Kuechly insert, and Jarvis Landry rookie, Dolphins. Next pack. Still no hits yet. Looking for 4. Monte Ball, AJ Green, Mike Glennon, Ace Sanders. Thought that was a little different, but it's not. Jamal Charles insert, and Dante Moncrief, rookie for the Colts. Next pack, getting down there. There's 5 left, including the one in my hand, so should be hitting all the hits real quick here. Frank. Alfred Morris, Eddie Lacy, Eric Berry, Denarius Moore. Well, we have a redemption for our first hit, so we're going to have to wait for our first one, whoever gets it. See what we have here. Hopefully it's worth the wait. Logan Thomas, Auto Relic Prime, level 5 variant, I guess you could say. Cardinals, who's got them? Wesley's got that. Picking that redemption up. And we got a Devontae Adams, rookie for the Packers in the back. Okay, so 1 hit down, 3 to go. And then we got 3 autos in the platinum. Adrian Peterson, Tony Romo, Patrick Peterson, Des Bryant insert, and we got an Andre Williams. Looks like an auto since it's thin. Yep. So Giants hitting. New York Giants. Who's got those guys? Zeke's got him. Andre Williams auto. Get him sleeved. Standard auto. No extra numbering or anything. But it's going to Zeke. And we got Aaron Murray in the back. 2 hits down, 2 to go. Probably both relics now. Yeah, we got a big fat one in here. We are primed. Prime relic, maybe. Let's see. Patrick Willis. And that's an insert. But the hit's right behind it, so let me see what we got. Mike Evans. It's our prime patch. Oh, nice 3-color one. Not numbered, though. Nice multicolored patch for the Bucks. Buccaneers was Aaron Moore. There you go. 3-color prime patch. Oh, and this DeAndre, that's an insert style card. No auto or relic, but. And then Khalil Mack, rookie in the back. So looking for one more hit in these 2 packs, and then it's on to the platinum. Don't think it's in this one. Could be a thin relic though, maybe. They have those. Okay, Nick Foles, Giovanni Bernard, Demarius Thomas, and we got something backwards. Hard to say if this is a hit or not. Don't think so. Nope. Just backwards. Cordell Patterson, gold parallel, and Dree Archer, rookie for the Steelers. Okay, last pack, so we should have our last relic in here, one of the multi-windowed ones. Looks like it's in there. Peyton Manning, Josh Gordon, Cam Newton, A.J. McCarron insert, and then looks like our last hit is for the Packers. Devontae Adams, 2 windowed patch, 87 out of 99. Oh, let's get in focus there. There you go. 87 out of 99, 2-color bronze parallel patch there for the Packers. Dan's got those guys. Go Dan. And then we got a Kelvin Benjamin golden parallel, 84 out of 250 in the back. Okay, so that is the prime. Let's get the sleeve on him. Pretty cool hits there. Decent. Okay, on to our platinum. It's got the 3 autos in it. Here we go. Get right into it. Good luck, guys. 20 packs in this one, so double the packs. All empty. Okay, here we go, guys. Good luck. First pack. And it rips on me. Got too anxious, too excited for the pack. So we got CJ Spiller up front. There we go. Matt Ryan, and it looks like we may have hit something right off the bat. Paul Richardson, let's see if this is the auto. Nope. Maybe it should have been? No, it's just a backwards rookie card. It doesn't say, nope. Just a backwards card. Andre Johnson, Le'Veon Bell. Next pack. If you guys are just joining us, we just finished the Prime. I'll run through all the hits that we get in the break. Once we're done, we're on to the Platinum now. Mike Wallace, Sheldon Richardson, and that could be a hit. Who knows? Let's see. Nope. They're putting all the rookies backwards. It's weird. Richard Sherman. Maybe that'll spell that we'll have a freaking sweet hit or something. Or no hits. Let's see. Julio Jones. Next pack. Phillip Rivers. Russell Wilson. Potentially another backwards rookie. Yep, just backwards rookie, no auto. Vincent Jackson. Adrian Peterson. Never seen it like this. Never seen a box with every rookie is backwards. Strange. Next pack, got Andrew Luck up on top. Jalen Saunders refractor card. Oop, we got a card stuck to that. Keeps confusing me. Makes me think all these cool cards are autos. That would have been a nice auto. Derek Carr, but of course they just keep tricking us. Von Miller, Richard Sherman. Marshawn Lynch, Colin Kaepernick, Jarvis Landry, just backwards rookie, I'd assume. Yep. Sean Lee, Vincent Jackson. No autos just yet. Brian Hartline, Reggie Wayne, Dante Moncrief, Pierre Garçon, Nick Foles. Next pack. Eli Manning, Tom Brady, Trey Mason, Alshon Jeffrey, Pierre Garçon again. Next. No hits yet. DeAndre Hopkins, Carlos Hyde, refractor, Niners. Logan Thomas, regular rookie, Drew Brees, Antonio Brown. Next pack. Jamal Charles, Frank Gore. Ooh. Of course, they put our autos front-wise. Looks like they got the collation wrong, and this autos are supposed to go backwards. And rookies are frontwards, obviously. But so we got Redskins, and I took them out, right? So this is gonna go to someone that's hitless. Lachey Sheestrunk, 87 out of 150 auto, black refractor style, and I took them out. So someone's gonna get that who didn't get a hit. Put him to the side for now. Terrell Suggs, Drew Brees. One auto down, and it's a random auto. Randomer. Reggie Bush, Jordan Cameron. Oop. Oh, we got another. See, all our refractors are. Autos are right side up, so they come right up. 84 out of 150 for the Cardinals again. Wesley. Dion Buchanan. Auto. Two black refractor style autos. Let's see if we have something special in store, maybe. Aaron Rodgers. Tavon Austin. Oh, looks like we have our last hit underneath this Shaquille Evans. Let's see. Let's see what we got here. It's for the Titans. It's Bishop Sankey. 3-color patch auto. That Titans. Calvin got him. It's probably the last auto we'll get, since we have 3. Sankey, nice patch there for Calvin. Shaq, just saw him. Okay, next pack. Probably no more autos, but we'll see. Kendall Wright, Terrence West Refractor. Of course, Davante Adams backwards rookie. Roddy, Aaron Rodgers. Denarius Moore, RG3, Sammy Watkins, regular rookie. Ryan Matthews and T. Suggs. Next pack. Oh, we got another hit. Ooh. Rookie Pat, we got the case hit in this box. That's why everything was backwards. It's like a patch for Blake Bortles here. Let's see what we got. Ooh, that's a nice one. 5 out of 68. 4-color patch for the Jags. So we got a nice extra hit there. Russell's picking that up. Zeke made the trade. Russell's going to be picking that up. Nice patch. Case hit. 5 out of 68. Kind of weird numbering. Sweet hit. Tom Savage in the back. 6 more packs. Probably not another hit, but maybe we'll get 5. Let's see. Torrey Smith. There's our black refractor. Brandon Cooks for the Saints. Andre Williams, regular rookie. Cordero and Monte Ball. Fifth to last pack here. Robert Quinn. Dree Archer Refractor, Steelers. Darquez Denard, rookie. Percy Harvin, Roddy White. 4 more packs. Randall Cobb, Calvin Johnson, Khalil Mack, Darrelle Revis, Cordero again. Brandon Marshall, Wes Welker, Teddy Bridgewater, Victor Cruz, AJ Green. 2 packs left. We'll do a little hit recap after this. After we're done the packs, so you got a die cut poking out. Finally, haven't hit any of those yet. Usually get 4, 3 or 4. I can't remember. It's a Michael Sam. Mwah. Canadian now. Canadian football player. No numbering on that one. AJ McCarron, rookie. Cecil Shorts. Victor Cruz. Okay, last pack coming up. Best of luck to everyone. Maybe we'll get our 5th hit. Let's see. Thank you all for joining in this loyalty break as well. Appreciate you guys sticking with me. Clay Matthews, Kadeem Carey, Refractor, Taj Boyd, Le'Veon Bell, and Luke Kuechly is the final card. Let me just run through the hits we got. Let's see. Go with the prime that we went with first. Davante Adams, Packers hit. Let me just mark down so I can do our hit list thing here in a second. Mark and see who got these. Packers was Dan. Got that Devontae. Mike Evans. 3-color patch. I think that was Aaron's. Got them. Yep, Aaron Moore's got them. Andre Williams. That was Zeke. Yep, New York Giants is Zeke. Yeah, a bunch of teams. And then Cardinals, Logan Thomas, Prime Relic Auto was Wesley. Wes hit. Okay, so that was all our Prime stuff, and then here's our Platinum. Pulled this nice case hit. Extra hit for us, 5 out of 68 Blake Bortles, going to Russell. Nice 4-color patch there. Bishop Sankey, Titans. That was Calvin. Patch auto. And then another Cardinals hit for Wesley at a 150 auto. And then this guy that we're going to have to random here in a second. Lachey G-Strunk at a 150 black refractor auto. So 1 second, guys, let me just make a list of all the hitless guys and we'll get that randomized. Get them out there. One second while I make the list. So Wesley, Aaron, let's make sure we have just one of everyone's names in this list. Make sure, let's see. Looks good. Grab this. Dan got a hit too, yeah, take him out. Okay, so here's our hit list. Plug that in a second on random. Okay, so here's our hit list. Randomize this 7 times. Whoever ends up on top gets that Lachey or whatever. Laish. At a 150 auto for the Redskins. So here we go, guys. Good luck. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. And here's the last one. Best of luck. 7. Harold Pierce grabs it. Congratulations, Harold. You get that Redskins auto. I don't know if he's on the team anymore, but you get the auto. Let's see. Just make a mark that you got it. Auto. Alright, cool. So that's it, guys. Thank you all for joining into this loyalty break. Excuse me. Appreciate you guys getting into my breaks. Hope that was fun for you to spend a few loyalty points to get some free teams. This will be up on YouTube in probably half an hour. If you want to check it out later. And just see if you guys are saying anything. Oops. Okay, looks like you guys are all set. Appreciate you guys joining. keep you guys updated on our next break. Don't know what it is just yet, but we'll have something soon, and I appreciate you guys filling it up for me. Thank you guys. Peace.